Alright, hello everyone. So today I wanted to talk about a really cool tool that's come in pretty handy for me over the past few years using it. And it's definitely not like a groundbreaking tool or something that I would assume most people have not seen here. To the contrary, we all sometimes have the need in our day-to-day workplace environments or delivering projects, consulting, music, whatever it is that you do, to send and annotate screenshots. Obviously, if you're a Mac user, everybody or most people probably know the command. I'm looking on my keyboard now. Command Shift 3, Command Shift 4 shortcuts. Those are great for quickly copying into your clipboard the entire screen or specific snippets of your screen, or saving as a file. But I always found that workflow to be great unless you need to like circle, highlight, square off something. Now there are a few tools that do that. The one that I've found really useful, again, over the years, has been this little guy. This little guy is called Zoho Annotator. Now, it is a Zoho made tool, but it's not necessary to be a Zoho user and or create things just into Zoho. Here's what I mean by that. So let's say I'm browsing through LinkedIn and I see a post that I want to share with one of my colleagues, just as an example, right? And I want to highlight something specific about it in the most, kind of like simplest of like day-to-day type workflows. Or maybe I want to send something to my wife even. So the cool thing is, one, it runs native inside Chrome as a Chrome extension, which doesn't require any keyboard shortcuts, though it does support it, I believe. And it doesn't require launching an app, saving something on your desktop. Basically, I can select part of the screen and just highlight it, capture, and it's going to open this little window. Now from here you can do some of the usual suspects. You can highlight stuff, of course. So if I want to highlight a specific comment right here, I could just do that. If I want to put an arrow, like a tagging tool, like a balloon kind of thing. These are pretty cool actually. Like you can just kind of place them around, or maybe just do a big nice square. All of those are quickly and easily doable. And the cool thing is, once you're done, you get a few options. Now, again, if you are using the Zoho ecosystem for your day-to-day, like let's say you want to tag something onto a project as a comment, an issue, or a sprint, obviously that's one click away. If you're using Click as your messaging tool, you can use that. Obviously, Zoho Connect is great for like collaboration amongst teams, kind of like a message board, like a Facebook message board, or a bulletin board, as I think it used to be called. You can use that, Zoho Mail, but you can also just download the file, copy it, or get a link to share, which you can then put in an email, etc. One other cool feature in this very simple yet awesome tool is that if I am done with this, let's just reset it here quickly, and yep. Alright, so we'll just go ahead and close it. You see, it opens another tab here. So all you got to do is just X out of it. If I want to come back in here and do a full page print, it will actually do the scrolling, which is, I find, really cool, and will provide to me an output of the entire screen, including unseen scrolled areas, which is great. With it, you can just then, same thing, right? Done annotating it, I can send it, I can mail it, I can download the file, and really just do what I need to do with it from there. And that was it for today. Thank you everyone again. And as mentioned, if you do have any comments, any feedback on kind of these videos, would love to hear from you. And as always, click subscribe, like button. I'm gonna have to start like saying that myself in every video, which I'll try not to be annoying about it, but that would be appreciated too. Thank you. Have a great day.